Welcome to our review of AdCreative AI, the AI-powered tool revolutionizing the ad creation process for businesses and digital marketers. Today, we're diving deep into its features, usability, and overall performance. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, stay tuned to discover how AdCreative AI could transform your advertising strategy. First, let's talk about user-friendliness. AdCreative AI is designed with simplicity in mind. From setting up your advertising account to creating your brand's profile, the process is straightforward and intuitive, making it accessible even for beginners. Once your account is set up, the real magic begins. The ad creation process is where AdCreative AI truly shines. You can choose post sizes, input project details, and target audiences with ease. And if you're not a copywriting pro, don't worry. The AI-powered text generator crafts compelling headlines and calls to action, tailored to your audience. The image generation process is equally impressive, though it may take a bit of practice to navigate through the various options. AdCreative AI doesn't just stop at creating one ad. It offers a wide range of variations and ranks them based on potential conversion scores. This feature is especially useful for A/B testing, helping you choose the most effective ad for your campaign. Now, let's talk about pricing. With a 30-day free trial, AdCreative AI gives you ample opportunity to test its capabilities. Once the trial is up, you can choose from different plans that suit your business needs. While the platform is highly user-friendly and efficient in generating various ad formats, it's not without its drawbacks. New users might find managing multiple image options a bit challenging, and the AI-generated texts might require some tweaks to perfectly align with your brand's tone. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.